shatter, shatter, shatter. Break or cause to break suddenly and violently into pieces.
Come on, stop throwing so slowly. Throw a little harder, come on.
Okay?
What will we do now?
Oh no, the window's completely shattered.
It's completely broken. It's all because of you.
But you only told me to throw the ball harder. It's because of you.
What will we do now?
I don't know, we have to find a way to mend it. We can't mend it, it's completely shattered.
Let's use shatter in a sentence now. The cricket ball shattered the neighbor's glass window. Shatter, shatter, shatter. Upset someone greatly.
Oh no.
What happened?
You know, I work with these children, and there was this person who had agreed to give us some money to set up a library for these children. And I just received an email, and the person says that they can't fund us anymore.
Oh no.
I'm just so upset. My children will be shattered, and even my hopes are shattered. They will be so upset. I don't know what to do.
Don't lose hope, don't worry. I think I know somebody who can help us.
Oh, really?
Yes, I know of somebody who can give us the money to set up the library. Let me just write an email to this person. Just don't lose hope. Don't be shattered, okay? You never know we make it, right?
Okay, thank you. That'll be great.
Yeah, I'm just sending an email, okay?
All right.
Let's use shatter in a sentence now. The news of India losing the match shattered all our hopes.